This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks Payments in Desktop. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Customer's menu to enable payments and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your merchant account. Enter your bank routing and account numbers accurately and accept the terms. Configure deposit timing, payment methods, and receipt settings. Test a small transaction to confirm everything works and review fees and payout schedules to avoid surprises. To enable payments, open Preferences and choose Payments, then click Company Preferences to begin enrollment. Follow the guided application and provide your EIN, bank routing, and contact details to create a merchant profile. Accept the service agreement and set deposit timing and payment methods you want to offer, like card or ACH. Save your settings, allow account verification, and wait for approval before processing live transactions. Create an invoice and enable Accept Online Payments so customers can pay by card or ACH directly from the invoice link. When a payment posts, QuickBooks will match the transaction to the invoice and record the payment automatically. For manual entries, use Receive Payments and choose the correct payment type. Then reconcile deposits in the banking menu to confirm payouts and fees, keeping accurate records for bookkeeping and tax reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.